Hello guys and welcome back to EVwithRafiq. So today we are here at electric vehicle exhibition happening at People Plaza, Hyderabad, Telangana. So let's get this video started. So we are here at Volty Nxt Energy. Let's know about the products which they have. So hi sir, good afternoon. Hi ma'am, good afternoon. So can you please say about the products in
Yes.
models?
These are electric vehicle chargers, okay? And this is charging station.
Great.
These chargers comes from various amperes, also like 48 to 24 volts, 36 volts, and 48 volts, 70 volts, 60 volts. Okay, ampere wise it starts from 2 ampere to 10 amperes and
Like for the
25
fast
amperes.
charging also.
It's not fast charging. It comes with CCCV charging.
Okay.
Okay, so it gives you in case for instance the vehicle comes, we actually give them to the 2 and 3 wheelers. Company gives along with that, but in case they don't find it, they can even find it as a generic model in the market.
Okay.
Yes, and this is charging station, a commercial charging station which is monitored and metered. So
Okay.
you can have it as you can as a mini petrol bunk. You
Great.
can keep it in some place. You can invest on it in just 15,000-20,000 rupees, and you can become a owner of a mini petrol bunk kind of thing. So whatever business is generally you can. It comes with RFID and a payment gateway. So there is no need of even getting scared. It comes with GPRS. You can sit at home. You can monitor where the device is.
The charging this wherever we locate,
wherever
we can
you
monitor
keep
this.
it, you can just monitor with your system. So you don't have to personally go there and find whether my system is there working or not. So everything is configured in your system, and your system will give you complete information about who is the customer who has come down, where the payment has done, and the payment will come right to your account.
Wow, so they just plug in and use it, and we'll know all the details.
Yes. Once they plug in, even without the payment prepaid, it will not charge them. So the moment the payment is received, you get a confirmation, and the charging starts from there.
Okay, great, ma'am. So what's the price ranging of this, and especially this one?
Yeah, price ranges the charges with 1,000 rupees till 6,000 rupees, and this one is 15 to 20,000 rupees.
15 to 20,000.
Yes.
So what's the installation process and everything, ma'am?
Installation is taken care by us. Maintenance also is taken care by us.
Great.
Yes.
Wonderful.
So any individual like you can become an entrepreneur, and a small place you can charge 4 vehicles at a time.
Nice.
Okay.
Nice. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah,
These are wonderful products over here. Thank you so much.
Thank you.